Hey there, it's Luna here. Welcome or welcome back to another video. If you're new, this is next step is my concealer. I use the Early Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to conceal my eyes, part of my face that needs concealing, which is majorly most times under my eye, if I'm being completely honest. any other part of my face that needs concealing, which most of the time is just under my eye. After that, I go in with this particular beauty blender to blend in the concealer. Now beside me when I'm driving. Love to see the three dots up when you typing. If it's all the same to you, I wanna know how you feeling. You can say the truth. Tell me what you need me to do. Lay the room, baby. I'm feeling for you. Like I mentioned earlier, today happens to be one of those major days that don't deserve concealing apart from my under eye. So I just go in with my foundation and blend. With this particular step, I take a lot of time because I don't like my foundations being quite visible and different from my neck. So I blend as much as I can to see to it that everything becomes the same shade with my skin. I also like putting a generous amount of concealer under my eyes because I like it when my under eye is actually way much more bright. Next is setting the highlighted part of my face. I use the Benign Luxury powder in the shade Banana and the powder puff applicator. And this particular one, I fold it into two like this to create an angular shape for easy application under my eye so it won't mess up other parts of my face. I've been told that I put a lot of setting powder under my eye, but like after I'm done putting the powder and I set it and dust the residuals off, it sets perfectly well and beautifully well, I tell you. Gorgeous. After that, I use a regular powder brush to brush off the excess. Here is it. I know, don't judge me, but here is it, and I'll brush the excess off. So for my T-zone area, I also use the Benign powder. Yep, it works. She pretty, she pretty, she pretty, ay, ay, ay. She pretty, she pretty, she pretty, ay, ay, ay. Yo, like the makeup is coming out real fine. Oh, this is so fine. This is not me looking like a chihuahua right now. So I highlight the necessary part of my face with this T-zone area. As you can see, I let the powder sit there for a while I dust off every other remnant around my face. Like, look closely and see what I mean. Can you see what I mean? Like, it sets nicely. It's like as if I didn't full pump the setting powder on my face. I'm going to keep doing this, so this is what I'll be doing. But anyways, after that, the next thing I do is on my face, and I'm using the contour powder from my palette, and I use this particular brush because it's thicker and it just works for me. I use this particular shade from my palette. It's the darkest shade there though, and I use it to contour all the sides of my face that needs contouring, which is basically under my cheekbones, my hairlines, and my nose. Next up is to highlight my face. I use again another type of brush to highlight my face, this particular one, and the highlighter is also on my palette. I use it and I highlight just few parts of my face, which is majorly my cheekbone itself and my nose. That's all. Oh, and the top of my lip. Oh, I never forget that. The top of my lip. It is so beautiful. If you're not doing that, start now. If you highlight the top of your lip, it just makes your lipstick pop out so well. I tend to put not too much highlighter because I just like it giving that shiny effect, not showing that something was applied on it. I use the angle brush that I used for my eyeshadow to apply the bronzer on my lip, and you guys, like, just check this out when I'm done. It is so beautiful. I tell you, absolutely beautiful. Next is my lip. I'm not a lipstick girl. I'm more of an eye pencil kind of girl. So I use this eye pencil and this nude lipstick by Classic. I apply it. I just use the eye pencil and apply it at the upper part of my lip, and then I go in with the nude lipstick at the lower part. Most of the times after applying that eye pencil, I almost don't want to apply the lipstick because my lips is already quite pink, so it doesn't need the lipstick so much. But I just like applying the nude lipstick for some weird reason. I honestly don't even have a genuine reason why. I just like it. So don't judge me. With my lips done and dusted, I move to my under eye. I don't like applying eyeliner so much on my under eyes. It's not for every look that I do that. Like actually, major of my looks I don't apply eyeliners under my eye, but this particular one requires that I apply eyeliner under, so that is currently what I'm doing. The liner that I'm applying is unbranded. Like I literally got it from the market, so it doesn't have a name or whatever. It's unbranded, but it's really nice. And the gel liner is crazy. Like it's giving. See what I mean? It's giving. At this point, I am completely done with my makeup. I just put my eye mascara. I think that's the last thing there is to do, and then lip gloss. I don't have any particular lip gloss that I use. I just use literally anything that is good and nice. So any transparent white lip gloss would work. And with that is a wrap. I'll just do my hair and then I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching yet another video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your tribe. Now I love you, but God loves you more. And see you next week. Bye.